Hi guys, welcome to Mr. Pasam Sandeep YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to apply a screen guard to my latest M4 model, Apple iPad Pro M4 model. So I bought it from ESR Screen Guard. So I'm going to show you how to apply step by step. So without wasting time, let's start our video. If you're first time watching this my channel, please do subscribe and let's start our video. Alright guys, so this is the temper glass from ESR for iPad 11-inch Pro. So let's open it and see what and all contents we got here. Okay, we got one tray. So open this. Wow, this is the content we got. We got like how to do this steps. According to the steps, we will do it. Let's keep this aside. Okay, we got actually two. We got so screen guards, so we can keep one aside. And apart from that, we got cleaning kit. So this is the cleaning kit we got. But two we got. One will keep aside and one will use it now. And so this is the tray which they have provided. So I'm going to keep this aside also. Now before that, we will see what and all we will get. We got it, we will see. That's all guys. Okay, now we will keep this aside. Now let's take our iPad. So clearly they mentioned we need to put camera here. So I'm going to place our iPad. Wow, it's perfectly fitted guys. Now we need to wet wipe this one. So I'm removing it. Alright guys, nicely we have cleaned our iPad. Now we need to take number 2, that is this one. We need to do a wet cloth, cleaning cloth, and we need to clean our screen nice and easy. Make sure there won't be any dust. Clean it very nicely. Yes, I think it's perfect. Now we need to take this one, dust remove sticker. So if there is any dust stick to the screen, you can remove it. So with this tiny amount of dust also will come out. Alright guys, we have cleaned it. It's pretty clean now. It's pretty clean now. So now we need to remove this layer. We need to remove this layer completely. Then we need to fit it here like this. So then we need to press and slide here. Then from here we need to remove our screen guard. That's all guys, it is done. You can see here, right? So there are two small bubbles, those are completely fine. We can remove those things. So that's all guys. After rubbing for a few minutes, the bubble is gone. So after applying it, it is looking like that. That's all guys. Thanks you for watching this video. So please do like, share and subscribe. There is an unboxing video also in our channel, so please check out that also. I'll come with another video. Thank you so much.